Hello my client, hope you and your team are well. So mostly I have complete your project. So the purpose of recording this video, I am going to show everything like what I have done, and I will teach your team like how they will use this Monday CRM system. So first of all, I have created this workspace like residential faculty operation workspace. So in this workspace you can see these all folder like employees, emma home, emma 2 faculty, and this cottage, mark, nancy, harvey and lumley. So we are going first to open this employee. So in employee, here you can see two board like staff vehicle insurance tracker board, and second is staff training tracker. So first open this staff vehicle insurance tracker. So already we have discussed this board, like I have set up all custom field, and I have update automation and assign your manager. Okay, so next is staff training tracker. So in this I have set up these all custom field and add these automation like these you can see. Then next is close this, and next is Emma home. So here in these all folder you will see four board 1 to 4 like resident appointment, first the fire safety, daily faculty and resident document in each like um, folder. Like you can see here, like you will just then close it, this. So let's toggle this 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 and close this. Like first is a resident appointment log. So here you can see resident name, appointment, everything already you have set up, and I have automate it here, these automation. And so next is fire safety. So in fire safety I have added all custom field, and then is faculty. So in faculty you can see everything here, like this is the main board like where we have set up this form, daily inspection form. So when you fill up this form, so there are information will be transferred here. Then next is a residency form, like resident is signature, like here I have submit everything, and with the help of form like this. And man is fire safety, already I have created here the form, like form view. I have set up the form like name, due date and so more. I can see again it like this. Then में क्या कर रहे थे, यो कुछ चेंजेस तो नहीं कर रहा।